guys, welcome back to another 𝐻𝒶𝓅𝓅𝓎 here, and today we are doing another video. Now today is the last video that I'll be posting of the decade, right? I think that's it. Yep, I think it is for the decade. So yeah. Sorry guys, I have to yell right now, but so it's New Year's Eve, I think, and like yeah, and I want to show you guys the food because like we have quite a lot, and they're mostly like finger foods and stuff like that. So yeah. So guys, we have some meatballs, some ribs, some of these random, I forgot the name of those. We have some fruits over here for good luck, because like why not? We have these little Filipino dish thing. They're like when you like, I forgot what you do with those, but they're like you put them in here and they taste good. And then there's also this, which is really good, and it goes with rice and that. Also a Filipino dish. Cookies, oatmeal cookies, that's our chocolate chips. Those, I forgot the name. And yeah, in the kitchen, I believe we have more. Right? Hold on. So this is where the thing is, and that's the rice. And yeah. Oh god, it's so loud. Okay, hope you guys had a good year, and ew-wee. Oh my god, guys. People running out. Ew-wee, ew-wee. And that's in a Popeyes. I don't know what I'm doing at this point, but I guess. Don't stop. It's now 2020, guys. So it's be New Year. Okay, guys, it's like 32 seconds before like. Yep. The thing goes for like the New Year, but like I cannot really. Hold on. Get copyrighted or whatever. But like, oh my god, there's like. Hold on. Let me get a gold one. Flashback to 2019 memories. I don't know anything. I don't know. We're never gonna look this again. 10, 9. It's okay. Wait. It's okay. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. This thing broke off. 1. Oh god. 0. I'm not gonna blow that. That's so loud. Here, take care. I'm not gonna blow it. Oh my god. Okay, guys.